In the final episode of this series, we're going to complete the crazy paved path all the way up to the driveway, then fill the gaps between our sandstone with a specialised gravel cement mixture, and finish off our construction by rebuilding the bench seat we removed when we started this project. After checking the measurements on an appropriate stone for this final corner piece, because this stone is going to be the start of our pathway, it's really important to spend a bit of time on getting it right, marking it out appropriately and cutting it exactly to size.
The next step is for us to fill these cracks with our special gravel mixture. We want to kind of have a rustic, gravelly fill look. The material's a lot darker than the stone, so it'll create a nice contrast.
I just want to moisten and wet everything so the general purpose cement can set up over the next few days.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have